Welcome to the captivating course, Programming for Mechanical Engineering, EML 2032. I am Dr. Hamrani, honored to be your professor and guide on this enlightening educational journey. When the term computer crosses your mind, you likely envision an entity of immense power. Computers possess the capability to calculate numbers at magnitudes and velocities that outpace human abilities. They seamlessly record and dispatch messages across the globe in an instant. Computers serve as our conduits to accessing any desired information with just a few clicks. However, it's important to note that computers themselves aren't inherently intelligent. They are machines proficient at executing a handful of fundamental tasks with unparalleled speed and accuracy. Let's delve into the essence of a computer as per scholarly resources. The primary definition is as follows. A computer is a mechanism or apparatus that undertakes processes, calculations, and operations based on instructions from software or hardware programs. It possesses the capacity to accept input data, process it, and generate corresponding outputs. Furthermore, computers can store data for later use and retrieve it as needed. Another depiction describes a computer as a digital electronic device, capable of automatically executing sequences of arithmetic or logical operations, also known as computations. Modern computers possess the ability to execute comprehensive sets of operations referred to as programs. Now let's explore the concept of programming. Programs constitute the heart and soul of a computer. Absent these programs, a computer would remain inert, unable to perform any tasks whatsoever. The language computers comprehend is binary. Each command in machine code is translated into a binary sequence. Here's a brief roster of fundamental commands that a computer recognizes. Conducting basic arithmetic operations. Comparing two numerical values. Loading a value from memory. Storing a value into memory. Initially, programming in a binary format, known as a low-level programming language, posed considerable challenges. In contemporary times, coding takes place in a higher-level programming language, where commands are articulated in a manner more easily grasped by humans. These coding languages serve as intermediaries, effectively translating human-readable instructions into binary code comprehensible by computers. Imagine a schematic illustrating the operation of a higher-level programming language. This framework translates human-understandable commands into binary code comprehensible by computers. Coding languages act as bridges, enabling us to communicate directives to machines. This diagram outlines the chronological evolution of several higher-level programming languages, including Fortran, Pascal, C, C++, and Python. But why the multitude of programming languages, you may wonder? Shouldn't one suffice? Well, diverse programming languages boast distinct strengths. For instance, Pascal was designed for ease of learning, Fortran and C for their proximity to machine language. C++ accommodates various programming paradigms, including object-oriented programming. Additionally, languages like SQL and R are tailored for specific tasks, SQL for database management and R for statistical computation. Now, let's address the question of why Python was chosen for this course. Python has been selected for a multitude of compelling reasons. User-friendly installation process, gentle learning curve, wide-ranging applicability in various fields, including mechanical engineering designed to facilitate different programming styles. Python stands as one of the most popular programming languages. Mastering it can unlock significant employment opportunities. As per tradition, let's commence our coding journey with the classic Hello World program, a practice dating back to the 1970s at Bell Labs. But how do we achieve this in the Python programming language? Python code can be executed through various methods, 3 of which will be explored in this class. Firstly, using the fundamental Python shell packaged with the Python installation kit. Secondly, employing an integrated development environment, IDE, such as the exemplar of Anaconda software, encompassing numerous engaging Python IDEs. Alternatively, you can utilize online Python IDEs, eliminating the need for local installation. This approach offers the added advantage of accessibility across devices like computers, smartphones, and tablets, requiring only an internet connection to run your Python code. Lastly, remember that Python functions as an interpreter. It converts the source code into bytecode, which is then executed by the Python virtual machine. Notably, two programming language categories exist: interpreter languages, which process programs line by line; compiler languages, which analyze the entire program at once. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next class.